Faqs, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I look a mess because I feel a mess. I'm pissed off. I don't got time for none of that. So boom, today is not my day because I have a test today, over 50 questions, maybe 50 questions. I feel like I'm gonna do good, but then I don't know. I didn't have much time to study. I'm not gonna front, I did have, but with all the other work I got going on, and you know, I have a kid and this and this and this and that, it's a lot, you feel me? So yeah, that's pissing me off. Then today, mind you, I've been waiting this whole fucking week. I ordered 50 cups, 15 ounce from TikTok shop. Mind you, I'm a part of the affiliate program, so sometimes I get things and I promote it and I get paid for it. Boom. One, it was worth it because one, I love iced coffee and I'm always drinking iced coffee, so that's a perfect cup for it for on the go. Two, I spent money on that. Three, I was supposed to promote it. Tell me why some bum asses took it, okay? They text me because I had the updating. You know how you tell them to text you when it's here or whatever? I had that. They texted me 10:53 a.m., okay? I go downstairs like, what, 3 minutes after that, 4 minutes? Somebody snatched it mad quick. It was on top of my mailbox. I still seen the mailman out there. So I asked him, I'm like, did you put the package, you know? He said, yeah, that was the only one. I put it on top of the mailbox. Mind you, I didn't even waste that much time to go and get it. I'm like, these niggas is so fast, it's not even funny. Mind you, they already took my LED lights. I have some new ones. But before this, I had ordered some, and they took those too. Like, you can't be that much of a bum. You can't be. And honestly, I think it's the Mexicans downstairs for me, because when I looked in the window, like when you outside and you come in the building, you can see their window, and it was open, real cute with my LED lights on, real cute, just chilling with the windows open. Like, they don't give no fucks, okay? So that's why I feel like they took it. But then when I got the text message saying that they delivered it, my next door neighbors had just closed their door. I don't know if they was coming in or going out. So I don't know who took it at this point. It's one of them two. But I started talking mad loud in the hallway like, oh, y'all some bum ass niggas, like, y'all, you know, saying what I gotta say because y'all about to piss me off. And then my work was stressing me out yesterday because I couldn't figure out how to do a part. It wasn't letting me go further unless I get the proper steps in order. So that was another thing that pissed me off. And then today I was still trying to figure it out, and then I finally got it. But guess what? I'm a day late, so that pisses me off. But like, why do you have to be a bum? Like, that tells me I can't order nothing over here no more. Nothing could come to this crib no more. So when I move, then I can order. But right now, I'm just waiting for TikTok to give me my money back, even though it was $12. But that's not the point. It's the principle. Like, don't touch shit if it's not yours. Touch your ass, okay? If it says Kayla Ortiz on it, apartment 7, you leave it alone. It don't got nothing to do with you. But no, y'all want to touch shit. So now I gotta wait for a freaking refund to get new cups, and I don't even know where I'm gonna order it from because Amazon be beasting with their prices, talking about $21 for cups, for plastic cups at that. Yeah, no. So I'm just pissed off. And then I have class in like 2 hours. It's 3:32, and I still gotta do the back. It's just too much. I'm doing my hair right now, which I should have done earlier, but I was busy. I'm going to PA tomorrow. Today is Thursday, June 18th. I'm going to PA tomorrow because I'm going to see a play in Sight and Sound Theater. I go every year, or almost every year, if not every other year, whatever. I go see plays there from the Bible. I'm going tomorrow. I was supposed to leave today, but I have class today and I have a test today, so I can't dub that. So now I gotta go tomorrow in the morning. We're gonna drive straight to PA from here, which is like in some change hours. And like, I was plotting on them cups, you feel me? Because I wanted a to-go cup for tomorrow for on the road, so I can take me a matcha or iced coffee. Like, that shit just blew mine. And I can't even order on Amazon now because they're gonna come tomorrow if I order it, and I can't do that because tomorrow I'm leaving in the morning, and Lord knows when they're coming. So I'm just stressed out and stressed. I said, let me make a video because if I don't, yo, I'll go crazy. So yeah, now I'm just doing my hair. Where the hell is my other light? Because this one always dying. If it's not my light dying, it's my camera dying. But yeah, it really pissed me off. So I'm just like, hopefully the guy from downstairs got it. I knocked on his door twice. Super for this building or whatever he is. I knocked on his door twice. I don't know if he's sleeping or out, but I hope he got it. If he don't got it, then I definitely know either one of those two took it. And yeah, I'll keep throwing subs until I move because I don't got time for this. And if you want to say something to me, I'm waiting. Because like I said, touch your ass. You touching shit that you ain't got no business touching. That's the problem. So yes, I'm pissed. So now we're gonna wet the hair a little bit. I didn't blow out my hair this time. I'm doing it curly because I have to rush, and I already know it's not about to come out good. But I'd rather it a little bit curly and sloppy than like whole head being sloppy and not doing anything to it. So yeah, I don't know how pissed I am. And then these shits keep snapping. I don't have time for it. Let me see if this one snaps. Gotta seal my ends. Alright. Bro, if this joint snaps, thank God. I'm still mad, but it's alright. I just want to hurry up, get this out the way. I already told my teacher, because mind you, I didn't even pack yet. I already told my teacher that I'm gonna just come in, take my test, and then leave after that because I have to be at PA at a certain time. But really, I'm not leaving today. I was supposed to leave today, but I still didn't pack. There's too much going on, so I'm just gonna have to wait. So I'm just gonna have to leave school early, pack, and then we leave in the morning as planned. And you know what I hate about TikTok? Damn, I'm going back on the topic. Yeah, you know what I hate about TikTok? That sometimes they take long to refund you, and then they don't, like, another order. So it's like with Amazon, they send you another order or they refund you ASAP. But TikTok, I don't know what's going on. I'm getting pissed off. But I'm using this as a leave-in. I'm so pissed. I don't understand. Clearly they needed more than me. Clearly I needed more than them because that's what I ordered it for. Then mind you, like I said, I do promotion and stuff like that. So it's like, yeah, I'm playing with my money now. For real. Just do my hair and put my net on and then go from there. Go to school just like that. I a few videos to post, and to be honest, it's all getting out of order now because I'm not remembering because I'm so busy with school. It's like now with YouTube, I'm not really there no more. I can edit my video and I look at it and I'll be like, I can wait. Honestly, my work come first because I'm not getting paid from it anyways yet. So, hi, baby. I was talking too long. I'm sorry. Hi. Who's texting about Jack? Mom Dukes. Yep, I'm coming. Alright, chat. I'll be back. I'm done. I'm gonna wear my hoodie to school though, and then come back and pack. So I'm not gonna show you that part of me going to school, but when I come back, I'm gonna pack. This is gonna be like a packing vlog. Get ready with me to go to PA, whatever. I don't know. I can't find my bonnet right now, so yeah. I'm just gonna take my test and be out. It is nighttime, so I'm packing my daughter's stuff. Oh, I gotta pack her bathing suit too. I almost forgot. Let me get that now. Great. Follow me. She definitely has mad clothes. Some I still didn't even put on. But it's gonna be hot all week on her, so this is all long. I can put it on her for when we go inside of the theater, because it's gonna be cold in there. So I'll be overpacking for her. So I'm gonna pack my stuff and her stuff in here. We ain't staying that long. So this look like a chain button. The change color. She had matching pajamas. I don't know where they are. And then this little dress with the little matching shorts underneath. I have this little jumper skirt thing. I don't know where her shorts to this. I know I washed it. Bring this just in case. It's some pajamas. And then her diapers, stuff like that. This is just for the road. But I'm gonna bring the rest of her diapers in a bag or something. I'm gonna bring her snacks and stuff like that in the morning. I'm gonna get that ready in the morning. I still don't know what I'm wearing. Shorts. I wanted to wear a dress, so I think that's what I'm gonna do right now. Look for my dress in my clean laundry bag. I should be throwing all my clothes in the bag now. Well, I've been doing that, but it's too much. Could have sworn I threw it in this bag, but it's probably not in this bag. I still have to get her bathing suit and my bathing suit.
How long do I keep this at on?
For however long you want.
Alright, because I want to keep it for a long time.
I'm gonna take a t-shirt. I like dressing baggy and comfortable, so I really don't care how I look, except for when I go to the
Where's your
play.
camera? Oh.
Right here. Except for when I go to the play, that's when I want to look nice. But other than that, I really don't care. I'm not gonna look like a bum either, but I don't care to look off. I have this dress, but probably shows too much. I'm gonna see. This is a bathing suit. I don't know where the bottom piece are, but I'm gonna bring. I should have picked out my outfit first and then started recording. I'm gonna find that dress in this bag. It's probably in the other bag. I think I'm gonna bring these jeans too, just in case. I know tomorrow though, when I find the dress, I'm gonna wear that because that's when the play is tomorrow. So I'm gonna just go dressed like that. I have sandals that I'm gonna wear too in my closet somewhere. Good thing my toes are already done. so I don't gotta worry about that. I kind of want to wear these. I see through. I can't even wear that. I have a matching shirt to it, but the shirt is way too provocative, so I can't. I'm a mother now. I can't be dressing like that. I don't think that dress is in here because I would have found it. My back is killing me. I don't think it's in here, so I'm gonna put this back. I don't even know what's the bottom piece. To that bathing suit. Okay, so I'm gonna take these sandals with me. I don't know where I got them from. I forgot. These I have bought some from Fashion Nova, Shein. It's pretty much it. So we're gonna try these on. Period. They're comfortable too. So I'm gonna wear those. Hopefully I find the dress. I'm gonna be tight if I don't, because I don't know what to wear. This shirt is cute too, but I would need some nice jeans to go with it. And I need something to go under it because it's see-through. So I don't know yet if I'm gonna wear that. But let's keep looking. This is cute too, but I might try to wear this under this dress, because if I wear this dress without a bra, you're gonna see everything. So I don't know yet. We'll see. I have this yellow cardigan. I wouldn't know what to wear with it though. And I'm not a skirt person either. I wish I had skirts just in case. This is cute though. I have so much clothes that I don't even wear it because I just don't. One, I don't want to wear. Two, it just be thick out in my closet, so I be forgetting what I have. What's this? Oh, there's another bra. Is it? Oh no, these are pants. Panties, right? How do you use it though? Oh, I get it. This is my favorite color too. I could let it slide with this because it has this color in it, so I think I'm gonna wear that. This is the pajama pant shirt to my pants. I don't know if I'm wearing that bag. I think I should have space in that bag. But I know I love mint green, so mint green everything. And then ooh, with this and them sandals, or unless I get one of them nipple things, what you call it? And maybe that'll, I don't know guys. I have this dress too, but I'm so sick of all of this. I'll probably still bring it just in case. I'm telling you, I don't want to wear. I've been having these things for so long, and I just don't want to wear. These are pajama pants. I'm acting like I'm about to stay over there for weeks. I don't think I'm gonna bring those pajama pants though. I can't find the shirt. I know I have that dress somewhere. What's this? This is a tube top. Probably wear this. Ooh, I could probably wear this in the morning with this cardigan over it and some jeans. Some mom jeans probably. No. On my dark pants. I don't know. I feel like bringing it anyways. I'm still trying to look for that dress. It's probably in my drawer. Because some of my clothes I have in here and then some I have in my drawer. So, alright y'all. So, I finished packing. So this is me and the baby's bag. Yeah. I put another cardigan and this other bag over here where I'm gonna put my camera and my laptop and stuff like that, because baby, just because I'm going to PA don't mean I don't have work to do. So yeah, I still gotta do work when I'm over there. So my little doggy bag, yeah, I'm gonna put my laptop and stuff in there. I wish I had a laptop case. And I have to look for my case for my camera, this one right here, because I have to take this brown case off because it won't fit in the thing with the silicone on it. I know it's somewhere. I have to find it and put it so that way I could take it with me without it moving around in my bag. So yeah. But I think I'm gonna separate the two videos because when I'm over there, I'm gonna do a separate vlog. What happened? Oh, alright. So yeah, I'm going to make a new vlog, me leaving tomorrow and stuff like that. So I'm gonna catch you on the next video. I don't know if this video was short or not, but yeah, stay tuned for the next one.